From London, this is the Climate Report. Across the world, weather and temperature extremes continue to batter the planet and wreak havoc on people and property. In Greece, wildfires have killed over 60 people and are now raging in almost 100 different locations across the country. Prime Minister Kostas Karamanlis has declared a nationwide state of emergency. In the United States, record floods have left dozens dead and hundreds of thousands without electricity in Ohio and Michigan, while other parts of the United States burn under intense heat. And in the UK, a leaked government document reveals that Britain is planning to shelve its European Union commitment to use 20% renewable energy by the year 2020.
The forecast that we will only reach 5% renewable energy by 2020 comes as no surprise. It's shocking, but it comes as no surprise.
Welcome to The Climate Report, theclimatereport.com, independent climate change news. I'm Peter Carlin. Heat-related fires are ravaging Greece. Over 60 people have died, and the ancient sites of Olympia have only narrowly escaped being destroyed. As the fires continue to rage, rescue and relief efforts are being criticized by many Greek citizens as being inadequate. The Associated Press reports that many Greek citizens feel as if they have been abandoned. Theo Natsou, the World Wildlife Greece Conservation Manager, has said, "This is an immense ecological disaster. We had an explosive mixture of very adverse weather conditions, tinder-dry forests. It's a recipe to burn the whole country." In the United States, some 26 people have died as a result of severe flooding in the southern Ohio plains, as the Governor Ted Strickland declares a state of emergency. Over 100,000 people have been left without electricity, and tornadoes are beginning to threaten the already flooded area. Extreme weather has also left around 40,000 people in Michigan without electricity. Recently, Brooklyn, New York, saw its first tornado in almost 150 years.
This is crazy. This is Brooklyn, New York's first tornado, in a long time. Look at this, it's crazy. It's intense. What in the world happened? Gonna go. This is crazy. We had a tornado. It was intense.
In the South American country of Colombia, the nation has experienced its first ever tornado. And in the Argentine capital of Buenos Aires, the first snowfall in 90 years has been recorded. Meanwhile, in Turkey, residents of Istanbul and Ankara continue to be beset by severe water shortages. Many residents are digging homemade wells in an attempt to find drinking water. And finally, in world commodity markets, above-average temperatures in the United States, Canada, Europe, and Australia have devastated the year's wheat harvest and pushed prices to an all-time high, causing panic amongst buyers. And those are some of the headlines at The Climate Report, theclimatereport.com, independent climate change news. Coming up after the break, a confidential UK government policy document leaked to the press reveals that the United Kingdom is highly unlikely to meet the EU renewable energy target of 20% of all energy consumed by the year 2020. We'll be right back.
When you read the morning paper, murder is the headline news. Confusion on the land, judgment is at hand. Yes, it's true. Everyone knows it's true. Yes, it's true. The teachers teach the lies. The preachers establish it high. Babylon makes the wine to blow the people's mind. The teacher teach the lies. The preacher establish it high. Babylon makes the wine to blow the people's mind. Yes, it's true, true, true. It's true, true, true.